gotta do these stamps. Even in the rain. Even in the rain, we gotta do these stamps. This one wants its stamp. So when you're a truck acting stupid, you know what time it is, don't you, baby raper? That's what you have to wear, boy. I'm sorry. Driving a government truck. Stalking. Anyone else I see out here is gonna get the same fucking thing. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over.
General Flynn and others have their own issues with Russian interference in the 2016 campaign.
Guy pulled in. Look at his angle with his lights on me for a while. Sure didn't want to stick around long, did he?